Today we celebrated a momentous occasion at Beacon Academy, our first ever United Nations Day celebration in preschool. With the theme Ubuntu, we have embarked on a journey to teach our young learners about humanity, kindness, and consideration for others. Our little explorers had a fantastic time pretending to travel to 5 different countries: China, South Korea, Mexico, Brazil, and Italy. Through this immersive experience, the children learned about diverse cultures, played exciting games, engaged in creative art activities, and of course, they indulged in delicious food from each country. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the parents for their unwavering support in decorating the classrooms to reflect the unique characteristics of the countries they represented. Their dedication and creativity have undoubtedly left a lasting impression on the minds of our little students. It was truly heartwarming to see our children dressed in vibrant and beautiful cultural costumes alongside our supportive parents and staff. As we paraded around the lobby singing "It's a Small World After All," we were reminded of the interconnectedness of our global community. This United Nations Day celebration has been a valuable learning experience for our little learners. This celebration helped our children to develop cultural awareness, global citizenship, empathy, creativity, and language skills and social skills. By exploring different countries and engaging in various activities, they gain valuable life lessons and a better understanding of the world that they live in. Thank you again to all our wonderful parents for joining us in this celebration of unity and understanding. Let us continue to foster a culture of kindness, respect, and empathy in our school and beyond.